Guys, welcome back to my channel. So this will be a short video. I'm just doing a little sampler unboxing. If you don't know what Sampler is, it's a company, another company, yes, that sends you free samples so you guys can test out, and all you have to do is review their products on their page, and that's pretty much it. They just want your opinion on their products. So without further ado, let's open this up. Alright, let's see. What do we have here? Well, hello there. So, they sent me the Persil Pro Clean Discs. This is going to be great for washing dishes. This is great for washing laundry. I've actually used ones like this, and you just put one in and like cleans everything. It makes your clothes smell super, super clean. So, you definitely need that. If you do a lot of laundry, if you have kids, if you have dirty men living in your house, because men are gross. No offense to any men that are watching. The next thing they sent me were RX Kids chocolate chip. What I love about this brand is minimum ingredients. So there is 4 core ingredients, 5 grams of protein, and no bad stuff. So it's natural. I'm not sure if this is gluten-free and soy-free. I believe it might be, but if it is, I'll write it in the description. And the last thing they sent me is this Guavana Antarctic, the Brazilian origin. Is this soda? It says, dare to try the wonders of the Amazon. Ooh. Every sip of Guarana Antarctica is a journey to the heart of the forest. It is delightful, flavorful, and exuberant soda made with the Amazonian superfruit and real sugar. Oh, Guarana. That is a plant. I've never had that plant or anything. That fruit is a fruit, I believe. I've never had that. Ooh, I am super excited about that. They sent me that and that. Here it should say, oh, it is gluten-free. It contains peanuts, tree nuts, eggs, milk, soy, and wheat. But it's gluten-free. It's gluten-free, but it says it may contain wheat. I don't know about that, guys. I don't know. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching my video. Super short, sweet. Just wanted to do the little unboxing to show you guys all the free stuff you can get if you sign up with Sampler. I'll put a link down in the description. I don't get any benefit from it, but like, I always like getting free stuff and showing people all the free stuff you can get. So again, thank you guys so much for watching my channel. And like always, like, subscribe, and share. Have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. And that's my kids' artwork behind me. Bye. Oh, and please, 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 please stay safe out there. Bye now.